What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. So today I got something different for you. I got a little house project that I've been doing, and I thought I'd make a video on it for the people out there trying to build a privacy fence and trying to save some money, because yeah, the price of materials nowadays is kind of crazy. So basically what I did is I'm recycling some old vinyl fencing. So it's a 6x8 privacy fence that I picked up a while back. Basically the homeowner, they had the fence, and then long story short, they had to take it off because they had to regrade the backyard because the house was getting flooded. So I ended up getting something like 140 160 linear feet of vinyl privacy fencing for like 600 bucks. And I think I calculated that fence basically costs roughly $5,000. So basically I'm gonna take that and make my own fence. The only issue is when they took up that fence, they didn't actually pull the post out, they just cut them at ground level. So the posts are now, instead of being 8 foot tall, they're only about 6 foot tall. And I was thinking for a long time, just get the posts and reuse the fence, which was going to end up costing me, I think it was like roughly about 50 bucks a post to get those vinyl 5 inches by 5 inches wide vinyl posts. And I was like, no, I'm going to do something different. I don't want it to look like everybody else, so I thought I'd do something custom. And I'm going to show you what I did, and if you like it, there's plenty of people selling fences on Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever, you name it, you can find them. Or even these liquidation places where they take down buildings and complexes, and they save all the materials and resell them. So this is one way to save money on putting a privacy fence, but I've been going on long enough. Let me go ahead and actually show you what I've done, how I use the pieces, and what's the end result. Okay, so here is an example of what the fence looked like. So this is one of the posts, and you can see it's cut at ground level. So you're supposed to have 2 more feet that goes into the ground. But basically this is the fence panel itself, and it's in pieces. These are all separate pieces that you put, and then you have the top and bottom piece right here. So these are 8 foot long, and then these are, I forgot how many, I think about 6 feet. So the panel comes in pieces, you can take them apart, and that's what gave me the idea to actually play around with the separate pieces and make my own fence. So these are the top and bottom pieces. They have the channel for the center section to go in. Actually, I got one set up right here. So there's the channel, and there's the other pieces. It's just sitting on the ground right now, and this is how they get put together. But what I did is, since I have all these posts that are cut at ground level, and now they're 6 feet tall instead of 8, I figured that gives me, if I wanted to do a 4 foot farm style fence around the property, then I can still bury 2 feet in the ground. Then what I did is I made me a template of this hole right here for these main channel pieces that go in, and I measured how far down I wanted to go and cut another hole. And then what I did is I just used the top and bottom pieces from the vinyl fence, and I stick them in there and create me the farm style privacy fence. And then with the center pieces, I ended up buying some 4x4 regular posts. I stuck those in the ground, and then I put these, I basically screwed them to the 4x4 post from the side, going horizontally instead of vertical like they go on the actual panels. So now I have 2 fences that I'm making from one fence. So let me go ahead and show you the end result, and tell me if you like it down in the comments below. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm not finished yet, but this is how I did the farm style with the posts that are cut down to 6 feet. So now I still bury 2 feet in the ground. That gives me about 4 feet. And these are the pieces for the vinyl fence, the top and bottom one. You can see there's the channel that goes in here, so you just flip them both upside down and you get this look. And like I said, you have to cut the second hole, so I just make a template by measuring the top one and transfer it into a little piece of cardboard or whatever, and then measure how far you want them to cut the next hole. And this is the end result, and I'm putting some those LED cap lights on here. But yeah, this is the other side, the other driveway, and these are the other panels that I told you. So these are 6 feet tall. I just use regular 4x4s that I buried in the ground, and then used all the and then use some decking screws to go from the side and screw them to the 4x4 posts. They already kind of interlock because they have a channel and groove, so they're not going anywhere. But yeah guys, this is my little project here, and I'm gonna be putting some more landscaping right there in front, so probably some rose bushes and some other stuff that's gonna go right up front. So these are gonna be like a backdrop or a background for all the other landscaping that's going in front of it, so it's gonna make that pop a little more. And then in between the panels, like I said, I'm not done yet. I'm doing more of the same, more of this farm style, so that's going to be filling in the gaps right here between all these panels, and then I got to put some more panels and then go that way. But pretty much this is it. This is how it looks. And yeah, like I said, 600 bucks. I mean, and I'm making all these panels and all these fences, so I'm gonna have a lot more. I'm probably gonna have twice as long of a fence, because like I said, I got like 140 160 feet, linear feet of vinyl fencing. So I'm basically splitting them up, using the pieces and using regular 4x4 posts, and then using these pieces. So that's gonna give me twice the fence pretty much. But drop a comment down below. Let me know if you like my little project, and I like to hear from you. I usually try to answer everybody's comment and questions. But again, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in another video.